Hey, I feel like doing a country song here tonight, so I'm gonna sing one. It's about my Uncle Kenny's pick 'em up truck. Oh, you never heard of a pick 'em up truck? Well, let me tell you. My Uncle Kenny had a pick 'em up truck. It was white and it was junk. But what you expect for $400? A beat up black boy that drank more water than most humans I ever did see. This is true, and that is me. But when I was younger, I seen my Uncle Ken carry in his pickup truck stuff like a lattice. In his pick 'em up truck, he had bricks. And his pick 'em up truck, he had tree limbs. And his pick 'em up truck, my Uncle Kenny had a beat up white Ford and a pickup truck. Pick 'em up truck. His pick 'em up truck. It already started and it never worked. Sometimes he parked it in the front yard as he passed out drunk at Grandma's house. But damn, he'll never give up that piece of junk. Pick 'em up truck. That pick 'em up truck, it drove him round. It got him here and there before he broke down. His pick 'em up truck was a piece of trash. But that's okay. He liked it anyways. You see, the moral of this story is I'm more of a Dodge guy. My grandma had a Dodge, and oh my word, that thing ran and ran and ran. Probably still does. I don't know. It was left to me many years ago. I was stupid. I had to sell it. But it wasn't as bad as my Uncle Kenny's pick 'em up truck. His pick 'em up truck. His piece of trash pick 'em up truck. It was a right beat up Ford, his pick 'em up truck. My Uncle Kenny's pick 'em up truck. It drank more water than any human I saw. His old beat up pick 'em up truck. Talking about that pick 'em up truck. He drove a pick 'em up truck.